Today we're gonna make sauteed apples and Brussels sprouts. To get started on making our sauteed apples and Brussels sprouts, we have our 2 apples here. We have Brussels sprouts, we've trimmed them, cut them in half, and they're ready to cook. We also have some bacon. Just chop this up and we're gonna cook that on the stove. So for our apples, we're gonna core these. If you don't have this, check out my Amazon store so you can buy one. So we're gonna core the apple. Gets nice slices, but we're gonna cut them a little bit thinner. So, all fall, I love to cook as many things I can with apples, especially if you're gonna go apple picking. Here in Connecticut, there's a million places to go, and even in New York. So if you're going apple picking, you need to have a ton of apple recipes so that you could cook with them. So we have our apple slices, we have our Brussels sprouts, we have our bacon, we have 1 onion sliced, some fresh thyme, salt, pepper, apple cider vinegar, and olive oil. Let's go to the stove. So we're gonna turn on the flame and we're gonna cook our bacon. So now that our bacon's cooked, we're gonna take this out with a slotted spoon because we want the bacon fat. So to this, we're gonna add a little more olive oil. And now we're gonna cook our onions. Lower the heat. We're just gonna saute the onions until they're translucent. Next, we're gonna add in our Brussels sprouts. So our Brussels sprouts, I'm gonna put them face down. So now I cooked the Brussels sprouts on both sides, a nice golden brown. They're a little soft, and now I'm gonna add in our apple slices. Let's toss these around so we can cook them. And we're gonna add a little salt, pepper, and fresh thyme. Next, we're gonna add back our cooked bacon. Give that a little toss. And last, a little apple cider vinegar. Look at this beautiful dish. Can't wait to dig into this dish. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.